nobody has ever counted 100, not once.
3,000 centipede species. And the number in the name has never appeared. There's a reason it can't. Centipede means 100 feet. Millipede means 1,000. Both names are wrong. One is off by a little. The other was wrong for 2,000 years. Real centipedes run from 30 legs all the way to 382. Every number in between is possible, except 100. Never. So here's the problem. If the range covers 100, why does 100 never happen? Something is blocking it. And it happens inside the egg. First guess. They're just close cousins with different leg counts. Wrong. They split over 400 million years ago, before trees existed on Earth. Second guess. The classic rule everyone learns: 1 pair of legs per segment means centipede. 2 pairs means millipede. And that rule is completely true. But try using it outside. Flat-backed millipedes grow wide-side flanges that hide their legs completely. The rule works on a diagram. It fails on a log. The rule tells you what. It never tells you why. And the why explains the odd numbers, the venom, the curling, all of it. 400 million years ago, one worm-like ancestor hit a fork. Chase your food or eat the floor. 2 answers. 2 completely different bodies. Centipedes built a sports car. Millipedes built a bulldozer. That's it. Every single difference you can see comes from that one decision. The sports car needed speed, so the whole body went flat. Legs push out sideways, low center of gravity, instant turns. Then evolution did something strange to its front legs. Those fangs are not mouth parts. They are converted legs. Hollow, curved, venom-loaded, called forcipules. Only centipedes have them. 1 pair per segment keeps the whole spine flexible enough to strike. Now, the odd number. Here's what's actually happening. The embryo lays segments in matched pairs around 1 central keystone. Pairs plus 1 keystone always equals odd. Always. 3,000 species checked, 0 exceptions. Comment if you can break it. Now, the bulldozer. A completely opposite problem to solve. Millipedes push headfirst through packed soil and rotting leaves. Pushing needs power, not speed. So segments fused in 2s. Each fused ring carries 2 leg pairs, double the thrust. The round body resists crushing. Legs tuck safely underneath. Slow is not weakness. Slow was the entire engineering brief. So which one is in your house right now? House centipede. 15 leg pairs, each pair longer toward the back. The only centipede with true compound eyes, and the fastest alive. Stone centipede. Squat, chestnut brown, under every rock you flip. Giant desert centipede. Red head, yellow legs, 20 centimeters long. That coloring is a warning label, and the bite earns it. Bark centipede. Orange-red, 23 pairs, and completely blind. Soil centipede. Thread-thin, blind, and some of them glow. Millipede side. Roundbacks curl up. Flatbacks mimic centipedes. Squeeze a flatback and you smell almonds. That is cyanide. Now the part almost everyone gets wrong. The house centipede. It is not a pest. It hunts roaches, silverfish, and bedbugs. You have been killing your free exterminator. Sorry about that. Then, 2021, Australia. 1,306 legs. Finally true. Take 3 things with you. That is the entire field guide. 1 pair equals hunter, 2 pairs equals engineer, and 100 legs is impossible. Always. We named them before we ever looked. 2,000 years of wrong counting. Go flip a rock. Count what is actually there. Subscribe to Nature Archive Docs.